Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing another foundation review. I know I'm coming through with these foundation reviews, but it's so much new product coming out, you guys, and I just have to get my hands on them. So you guys, NARS just recently came out with their all-natural soft matte foundation, and I had to try it. I've never tried NARS, never used any of really of their products at all, so this is my first time reviewing their product. I'm super excited. But before we get into this video, you guys, make sure you guys go right now, hit that subscribe button and that post notification so you are notified when I do upload new videos, sis, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring, okay? And also, you guys, if you are, looking to enhance some looks and enhance and change your style, make sure you guys head over to BossyLuxe Hair. That is my hair extension line, okay? Go ahead and you can go ahead right now over to that site, you guys, and sign up for the email list so that you can save 10% on your first purchase. So let's go ahead and get into the video. You guys, so before we get into the foundation, I did want to let you guys know that I did pick up a couple of things, well actually one other thing, but then they sent me two other things, products, as like little samples or little testers. So I definitely wanted to get into these real quick before we get into the actual foundation. So one of the other things that I did buy, you guys, was their new mascara. So this mascara is supposed to be a smudge proof mascara. It's called NARS Climax? Oh my gosh, okay. NARS Climax, you guys. It's supposed to be smudge proof by 87% and gives you nice full dark lashes. I don't know, I've never tried it. The only time I use mascara, you guys, is probably on the bottom and sometimes before I add on my lashes. So let's go ahead and test this out right now, you guys. I'm actually going to go in and just kind of fluff up my actual lashes now, so that way you guys can actually see that my lashes are not super uber long, and if it does have any greatness to it, that I'm not just faking it. So I'm gonna grab my mirror because I did forget that, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I got my mirror going. So alright, you guys, so let's open up the packaging. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like this, you guys. This is what it looks like. And it has NARS Climax Extreme written across this part here. I actually like this part. It almost reminds me of like something like in the army, like just how the structure of this is shaped. It's really interesting. So let's see, you guys. I'm gonna open it. This is what it looks like. So when I was on the website, they did have a bad review on this, and someone has said that she used it and it rubbed off, I guess, on her lower part of her face, or something. And yeah, so I was like, I don't know, I want to try it out for myself. So this is like the mini kind. They do have a bigger one. So this one retails for $12, you guys, as a mini size, like a travel size. So I didn't want to get a big one, especially if it's not great. And it's gonna really not do what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, you guys, it's in my lashes now, and I'm going to go ahead and pull them up. Okay, you guys, so this is what I have to say about it. This is what it looks like, you guys. First and foremost, there's too much of the product coming out on the actual brush. So when you're swiping it up against your lashes, you guys, it's actually leaving a little bit of clumps. So like little mini clumps I'm seeing, and I'm actually seeing right here where, for me just putting it on just a little bit, I got it on my eyelid. I don't think... It's not too bad. It does give me volume. It does make them look fuller. I just think that it's too much product coming out on the bristles. So, okay, you guys, so before we get into the foundation, I like to go ahead and I like to correct any dark spots on my face, my dark circles, because I'm super tired and I have a newborn and I don't get sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead, you guys. I'm actually going to set my face and correct everything before I do my foundation. This is just something that I do each and every time before I add on any foundation. So I'm actually gonna go in with the orange corrector. This is by LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's an orange corrector, you guys. I actually like it a lot. now that I have that on there, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. This is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. The shade that I have this one is the Deep Caramel. I'm gonna go up underneath that orange corrector. So this is pretty much like, if I didn't have dark circles, you guys, I would only need to use the concealer, you know, because that will just give me a nice full coverage. But because I do have dark circles under my eyes just from being tired, I'm going to apply it. Alright, next we're gonna go ahead and I'm actually going to conceal it or set it with the Kylie Jenner white translucent powder, you guys. This is like my go-to. I have oily skin, and again, if you guys have oily skin, this is a great process for you to do. I mean, it's really gonna set your makeup and make it look flawless. So I'm actually just gonna set underneath my eyes and then cover my T-zones. Now I'm actually going to brush off the setting powder. I've already added my lashes onto my face. If you guys have oily skin, again, I would highly recommend you guys follow this step. I promise you, and I tell you that it's going to look so good. Your foundation and everything is going to set so good. Alright, you guys, so let's talk about this NARS Soft Matte Full Coverage Foundation. Now, I did read, you guys, that it is a medium to full coverage. It is a buildable foundation, but it's supposed to be more of like of a natural finish. So we're not, again, like with the previous video that I did with Selena Gomez, her foundation is more for a natural look. They do have other foundations for more, if you want to do like a more glam or for full coverage, you know, look. But this one's supposed to give you a nice natural look. There's not supposed to be any oxidation, which can be so good in certain cases. It's supposed to be shine proof, oil proof, 16-hour wear, transfer proof. I'm like, hold up, transfer proof? Okay, humidity proof, sweat proof, and protects from pollution and blue light, you guys. So many great different factors, but does it really live up to the test of what it's saying that it's supposed to do? I don't know. We're gonna try it today, you guys. It comes in 34 shades, so that's relatively enough shades. And if you guys don't see your shades, you can always get 2 shades and kind of blend them together. The price on this foundation, you guys, is actually, let me look up the price because I'm not really sure about the price. It's $40. So the foundation itself is $40. It has a 4.6 rating on the website, so that's pretty good. It's not bad. It's not like a 3 or something. So some people like it, some people don't like it. It's up to you and your preference and what you want to wear as far as foundation. So let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really clean, really nice, really just plain black and white, but it's still in like a nice chic. And so this is what the bottle of the foundation looks like, you guys. So it comes in this right here. I actually like the bottle shape. It reminds me of the Morphe bottle shape. The color that I got, the shade that I got, you guys, from Marquise, is the medium to deep color. We're gonna open this up. And so for this one, you guys, it's just like you just gotta pour, I guess, and put it on your face. So I don't like this part about it because what if I just wanted to, what if I didn't have a beauty blender or a brush? Now I'm like on the go. What if I just wanted to just, you know, take a brush and just swap it on my face and just kind of, you know, pat it through like a sponge or something? I don't know. I really wish it was like a brush, but okay, I guess. So I have my damp beauty blender, you guys. I'm actually gonna pour some on there. I'm praying that this is a good shade for me. It does allow you to actually, I believe on the website, don't quote me if I'm wrong, it allows you to match up your shade with your skin tone from the actual website. So you guys head on over there, check out your shade and get matched up and check it out. Okay, this is cool. This is good. This is about my shade. Okay. So if you guys are like my skin tone, just know that you guys are gonna use the Marquise. This is the medium deep number 5. This is really like spot on my shade. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad that I chose this color. I believe it gave me a different shade. I'm like, that's not even me. But also it could have been because of the lighting in my bathroom. So I'm glad that I actually got this shade. I believe it was this website or it was another one that I went to. So far, you guys, it's looking pretty good. It's blending out nicely into my skin. It is giving me like a full coverage. Literally, if I wanted to just do this one coat, I would do the one coat and I'll be done. But it is giving me the full coverage. Look, the consistency is not too thick, but it's not too thin. It's kind of like in the middle. And again, you guys, this is supposed to be a matte. Foundation is supposed to last you for 16 hours. Transfer proof. I'm like, transfer proof? I mean, if I can wear this and wear my mask, you know, and my no makeup come from my mask, and this is a really great, you know, foundation. Because there's not a lot of transfer proof foundations out here, you guys. There really isn't. All right, you guys, so I actually really like this foundation. It is matte. It is a matte foundation, you guys. Sorry, I'm looking in my mirror trying to see, like, you know, how I feel about it. It is a matte foundation. I don't see where it's oxidizing. Oxidizing means where it oxidizes into your skin. So like if you did like how I did and put an orange corrector, or you know, or concealer up underneath it, it will oxidize into that, you know, whatever you have, whatever product you have in your face. But for me, you guys, I wouldn't mind that if it did, because of me, it's just gonna mirror my skin. But I think it looks really nice. I think it's really flawless. It blends out really well, you guys. I honestly don't see anything too much wrong with this foundation. There probably is like a little bit of a creasing under here underneath the eye, but that could just be from me and how I applied it. But I'm also gonna go in and do a highlight. So, but overall, you guys, it's on my skin. It's really close to it's really like my skin tone. It looks really nice on the skin. It's flawless. It's smooth. Blends out really nicely. I really like this foundation, and I've never tried this before at all. And again, it's matte, you guys. Now, yeah. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish up. We're gonna go and do some brightening on the eye and everything. I'm gonna finish it up with you guys. And then I also got, they sent me two like little testers of a blush and of a lip. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the whole makeup look, and then I'm going to test out this blush and this lip for you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with the Morphe. This is their matte concealer. The shade that I'm using is 4.25. And we're gonna do this to brighten our eyes out. Go in with the Honey by Laura Mercier, and I'm actually going to set this in, or bake my face rather. We're gonna bake our face. I really like baking my face, you guys. And I'm using a different beauty blender, you guys. It's still damp a little bit, and I'm just tapping off the excess before I apply it to my face. And with my Black Radiance, this is my True Complexion Contour Palette. The color that I have is medium to dark, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This is my favorite palette to use, you guys. It's very inexpensive, and you can order from their website or go to like to Target or like a Walmart or a CVS and copy yours. This is a really bomb. I'm actually going to use the contour part right here, you guys, and I'm actually going to just shape up my face here, and then shape up my nose. Ooh, I'm dropping it all over the place. So so next we're gonna go in with the blush. The blush actually comes in like this. It's like a little sample trial, you guys. The color is called Orgasm. So it's like this pretty pinky shade. I've never tried their blush before, but it looks really, really pretty. So let's see if I can get it open. Okay, so it looks like this. This is the color of the blush. So it's really like pinky. You guys can see that. Really pinky-like. I'm actually going to be using this brush here, you guys. This is a brightening brush. I use it to do my my color, my lightening, like my bronzer and everything, and then my blush on my face. But if you have one like this one, you can use it, you know, the best, or however you want to use it at this point. And I'm actually just going to go up and do like slight soft taps up across my cheekbone. Next, you guys, I'm going to take my fan brush. This is my Morphe fan brush that I'm going to be using. And the shade on the number for this one is the Y13 Morphe brush. I don't know if they still have this brush or not yet. Still, you guys, but if they do, definitely go grab it. This is like my favorite go-to, and it's not super big. Alright, you guys, so last but not least, to finish up this makeup look, I'm going to go in with my red NARS. This is their Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, you guys. It's like a crayon lipstick. And like I said, I used this before, and when I used it before, I actually like it. So let's go ahead and put this on our lip, and then we're going to finalize this video. So that concludes today's video. I absolutely love the lip. Like I said, I used it before, so I already knew what to expect from the lip. It is a matte lip, but if you want to gloss it up, you can definitely add on a little bit of a gloss and make it a nice pop of red glossy lip. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Your girl's channel is all about makeup, fashion, and lifestyle. So make sure you guys tune in, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.